The Stone Age, a time capsule stretching back millions of years. A period where humans took their first tentative steps, not just as a species, but as the architects of their own destiny. Asia, the world's largest and most diverse continent, played a pivotal role in this epic saga. From the grasslands of Africa, early humans ventured into new lands, carrying with them the seeds of ingenuity and adaptation. Their journey was one of constant challenge and remarkable resilience. They faced harsh climates, encountered unfamiliar creatures, and navigated uncharted landscapes. Through it all, they innovated, they adapted, and they thrived. The story of the Stone Age in Asia is etched in stone, bone, and ancient campsites. It is a testament to the enduring spirit of humanity. It is a tale of survival, ingenuity, and the enduring power of the human spirit. This is where our story begins. The Paleolithic, or Old Stone Age, marks the earliest period of human presence in Asia. This era is characterized by the development and use of the first stone tools by our ancient ancestors. It represents a significant chapter in the story of human evolution and adaptation. Spanning from roughly 2.6 million to 12,000 years ago, this era witnessed the arrival of the first humans, likely Homo erectus, migrating out of Africa. These early humans embarked on an incredible journey, crossing vast distances and encountering diverse landscapes and climates. These early pioneers adapted to a variety of environments, from the frigid steppes of Siberia to the lush forests of Southeast Asia. Their ability to survive and thrive in such varied conditions speaks to their remarkable resilience and ingenuity. Life was a constant struggle for survival. Early humans faced numerous challenges, including harsh weather, dangerous predators, and the need to find food and water. Their daily existence was a testament to their determination and resourcefulness. Food was acquired through hunting and gathering. Early humans relied on their knowledge of the natural world to find edible plants, hunt animals, and fish in rivers and lakes. This way of life required a deep understanding of their environment and the ability to work together as a community. Stone tools became essential for butchering animals, scraping hides, and crafting other rudimentary tools. These tools were not only practical, but also represented the first steps towards technological innovation. The creation and use of tools allowed early humans to perform tasks more efficiently and effectively. Early humans sought shelter in caves, rock overhangs, and possibly even rudimentary structures built from wood and animal bones. These shelters provided protection from the elements and predators, creating a safe space for families and communities to live and grow. The Paleolithic was also a time of significant technological advancement. Early humans developed new techniques for making tools, which allowed them to hunt more effectively, process food more efficiently, and create more complex structures. Simple hand axes gave way to more specialized tools, such as scrapers, points, and burins. These tools were used for a variety of purposes, including hunting, butchering, and crafting. The development of these specialized tools marked a significant step forward in human evolution. These advancements reflect the growing cognitive abilities of early humans and their capacity for innovation. The ability to create and use tools is a key indicator of cognitive development, and it set the stage for future technological and cultural advancements. The Paleolithic period in Asia laid the foundation for the millennia of human history to come. The skills and knowledge developed during this time were passed down through generations, shaping the course of human evolution and culture. It was a time of exploration, adaptation, and the slow but steady development of human culture. The experiences and innovations of early humans during the Paleolithic period set the stage for the complex societies and civilizations that would emerge in the millennia to come. The transition from the Paleolithic to the Mesolithic, around 12,000 years ago, was marked by significant environmental change. This period, often referred to as the Middle Stone Age, was a time of great transformation for both the planet and its inhabitants. The last glacial period ended, ushering in warmer temperatures and rising sea levels. As the ice sheets retreated, vast areas of land that were once uninhabitable became accessible, leading to new opportunities and challenges for human populations. These changes had a profound impact on plant and animal life, forcing humans to adapt once again. The warmer climate allowed for a greater diversity of flora and fauna, which in turn provided new resources for human communities. This period saw humans developing a deeper understanding of their environment and the resources it offered. The Mesolithic, or Middle Stone Age, saw the development of new hunting techniques. As large game became scarcer, humans had to innovate to survive. This led to the creation of more sophisticated tools and methods for hunting smaller, more agile animals. The bow and arrow emerged as a more efficient way to hunt smaller, swifter prey. This innovation not only improved hunting success rates, but also allowed for greater mobility and flexibility in hunting strategies. Fishing also became more important, as evidenced by the discovery of fish hooks and nets at archaeological sites. The abundance of water sources and the variety of aquatic life provided a reliable food source, leading to the development of specialized fishing techniques and tools. This period also witnessed the beginnings of a more settled lifestyle. As humans began to exploit resources in specific areas, they started to establish more permanent settlements. These early communities laid the groundwork for future societal developments. Seasonal camps became more common as humans began to exploit resources in specific areas. These camps were often located near water sources, which provided not only food, but also a means of transportation and communication. This shift towards semi-sedentism allowed for greater social interaction and the development of more complex social structures. As people spent more time in one place, they were able to form stronger social bonds and develop new cultural practices. The Mesolithic was a bridge between the hunter-gatherer societies of the Paleolithic and the farming communities of the Neolithic. This transitional period was marked by experimentation with early forms of agriculture and the domestication of plants and animals. It was a time of experimentation, adaptation, and the gradual development of new technologies and lifeways. The innovations and changes of the Mesolithic laid the foundation for the agricultural revolution that would follow, ultimately shaping the course of human history. The Neolithic or New Stone Age marked a profound shift in human history. This era was characterized by the transition from nomadic hunter-gatherer societies to settled agricultural communities. It was a time of innovation and adaptation, as humans began to develop new tools and techniques to cultivate the land and domesticate animals. Beginning around 10,000 years ago, this period witnessed the dawn of agriculture in Asia. The fertile lands and favorable climate conditions provided the perfect environment for early humans to experiment with farming. They began to plant seeds and cultivate crops, leading to a more reliable and sustainable food source. The domestication of plants and animals revolutionized human society, leading to settled village life and the rise of the first civilizations. This shift allowed humans to produce surplus food, which in turn supported larger populations and the development of complex social structures. The Fertile Crescent, an arc-shaped region stretching from the Nile River Valley to Mesopotamia, is often considered the cradle of agriculture. This region's rich soil and abundant water sources made it an ideal location for early farming communities to thrive. However, recent evidence suggests that agriculture may have developed independently in other parts of Asia, including the Yangtze and Yellow River valleys in China. These regions also saw the emergence of early farming practices, contributing to the diverse agricultural heritage of the continent. The adoption of agriculture had far-reaching consequences. It not only transformed the way humans interacted with their environment, but also had profound effects on social organization, economic systems, and cultural development. It led to population growth, the emergence of villages, and the establishment of permanent settlements. These communities became the foundation for more complex societies, where people could live and work together in a more organized manner, and the specialization of labor. As agricultural practices improved, not everyone needed to be involved in food production. This allowed individuals to pursue other crafts and trades, leading to the development of new skills and professions. Surplus food production also allowed for the development of trade and the accumulation of wealth. Communities could store excess food and trade it with neighboring groups, fostering economic relationships and cultural exchange. The Neolithic period in Asia witnessed the rise of sophisticated cultures, each with its own unique contributions to human history. These cultures developed advanced techniques in pottery, weaving, and metallurgy, showcasing their ingenuity and creativity, such as the Yangshao and Longshan cultures in China, which produced exquisite pottery, jade ornaments, and other artifacts that reflect their artistic and technological achievements. And evidence of complex social hierarchies. These societies were not only advanced in their agricultural practices, but also in their social organization, with distinct roles and statuses emerging within the community. These early farming communities laid the groundwork for the great civilizations that would follow. Their innovations in agriculture, social structure, and technology set the stage for the development of powerful empires and the rich cultural heritage that we associate with ancient Asia today. Stone tools stand as silent witnesses to the ingenuity and adaptability of early humans. From the crude hand axes of the Paleolithic to the finely crafted arrowheads of the Neolithic, these artifacts offer invaluable insights into the technological advancements of the Stone Age. Early humans were masters of knapping, the process of shaping stone by striking it with another stone. Over time, they developed sophisticated techniques for creating a wide range of tools, each with a specific purpose. Hand axes, the quintessential tool of the Paleolithic, were used for a variety of tasks, from butchering animals to chopping wood. Scrapers were used to prepare hides, while points were attached to spears and arrows for hunting. As technology advanced, tools became smaller, lighter, and more specialized. The development of new materials such as bone, antler, and wood further expanded the toolkit of early humans. These materials were used to create harpoons, needles, and other tools that were essential for survival.